All right, gang, as a travel pro and a guy that does a lot of meetings out and about in restaurants, things like that, I have picked these up recently and I could not be happier. These are actually individually wrapped, waterless mini toothbrushes. That's right, waterless. And so the concept's pretty simple. The concept is pretty simple. These mini toothbrushes actually have a bead inside of them of like a gel in there that you kind of pop. And when you bite into it and pop it out, you can use this toothpaste inside of here to brush your teeth, freshen your breath, that kind of deal. And you actually can either spit it out or swallow it. Either way, it's fine. It's got a nice little minty taste, and so there's not this horrible aftertaste or anything like that. Plus, it does have a flosser on one side and actually a tongue scraper here for those special meals where you just feel like you got gunk or something built up on your tongue. What's great about these is, obviously, if you're on a trip or something, you can throw a handful of these in there, not have to take your home toothbrush so that you always got a fresh one. You can use this with water, by the way, if you'd like to. But man, my favorite use of these, keeping them in my backpack, keeping them in my desk drawer, keeping them in my car, so that if I go to a meeting and I have some food out with a client or somebody like that, I jump in the car, pull one out of my backpack, pull one out of my desk, freshen up, and I'm good to go for the rest of the day. Overall, absolutely love these. They do come in a 30 count, all wrapped up individually so that you can just grab a handful, toss them in your purse or bag, and you're good to go. Check them out. I think you're gonna love them.